Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I ran a load of laundry last night and woke up to this error. I tried to unplug and plug the washer back in, but it is still giving me this same F35 message popping up here. Let's do some research to see if we could fix it. Okay, it could be the pump motor, which is that thing in the corner, or the main computer part. But this video says I should try cleaning it first. But before we do all of that, let's go try and run some diagnostics. So the diagnostic did not go past C00. I got there with drain spin cycle, go no spin, and press this 4 times. So I think that means we need to clean stuff out to try to get water flow. There was 3 of these fasteners back here. I removed 1 there, 1 here, 1 here. Let's open it up and take a look and see what's on the inside. I think this is pretty interesting. This hose is connected to the pump motor right here. I was told to clean that, and when I blew air, it turns the machine on even when it is turned off. Let me get the camera on the tripod to show you guys real quick with this duster. So I guess the pressure is working, so I don't think there's anything wrong with this. I'm gonna put it back. Next thing I'm gonna try is running it in this clean washer cycle with some vinegar. We're making progress. It's F21 now. According to the manual that I surprisingly still have, it is a drain problem, and to check for any areas that might be bent. From what I'm seeing, the hose here and down in here looks pretty normal. My plan now is to run another vinegar to see if that helps and open this bottom part. I just opened this drain plug thinking it would be pretty gross, but surprisingly, not that bad. Couple of hair ties and some vinegar that leaked out. Gonna clean everything up, reverse, put everything back, and hopefully this fixes our problem. Unfortunately, it is still not working. F35. I'm gonna end this video here because the vinegar trick and cleaning out the drain plug worked for some people, but I think next video we're gonna try to replace that, the pressure sensor. But for now, video 221 done.